In a world where uncertainty lurks around every corner, the question isn't if disaster will strike, but when. Are you prepared for what lies ahead? The truth is, no one can predict the future, but you can take control of your own preparedness journey. That's where Prepare Magazine comes in. Prepare Magazine has been sharing preparedness resources since 2012. It is your ultimate resource for emergency preparedness and self-reliance. Our bi-monthly publication is packed with expert advice, practical tips, and real-world solutions to help you face any challenge head-on. From food storage secrets and water wisdom to off-grid living and emotional resilience, Prepare Magazine covers it all. Our articles are written by preparedness experts and are designed to empower you with the knowledge and skills you need to protect yourself and your loved ones. Prepare Magazine is more than just a digital publication. It's a community of like-minded individuals who share a common goal: to be ready for anything, to handle each crisis with calm and stable confidence. As a subscriber, you'll gain access to our exclusive online forums and events where you can connect with fellow preppers and learn from one another. The time to prepare is now. Don't wait until disaster strikes to start your preparedness journey. And with our free annual subscription offer, there's no reason to hesitate. Click the link below to claim your free subscription to Prepare Magazine today. Join the thousands of readers who have already taken the first step towards ultimate preparedness and self-reliance. Remember, readiness isn't optional. It's a necessity. Start your journey with Prepare Magazine now.